guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these 4-piece glass massaging cups. Alright, so right here we have our massaging cupping. This is for face, body. This is a cupping therapy. You've got 4 different sizes. So the sizes include 0.35, 0.80, 0.65 inch, and 1.5, which is the inner opening to these. So these are marked 1 through 4, so you can see the difference. The number 1 is the smallest and number 4 is the biggest. So these are glass materials. They have a silicone design. All you got to do is apply cream or nourishing. You can squeeze the massage in the cup in the middle of the area. Gently draw back the skin into the cup using both hands. Move the cup smoothly in straight lines with a zigzag. You can leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes to massage. So this helps get around the area that are sore. You can use these smaller ones for around the face. So you can massage the shoulder, the back, a leg, knees, and elbows. These are the glass silicone cupping cups. You get 4 pieces in 4 different sizes. So the heights are 4 inches or 10 centimeters. They have 4 different sizes to choose from. So the smaller one I would say would be in the smaller areas. So like right here I have it on my hand. This right here does just a little bit, and then we'll go up to the next size. This is super strong with suction. These cups are easy to absorb without falling off. So now we're going into the second cup. So this one here is just a little bit bigger. So as soon as we go to the 4th cup, you can see the difference in the sizes. So this one here is a little bit bigger. So now we're going to compare the first one to the second one. So this one just has a bigger round area, so it takes in more of the skin, and you just squeeze these in. Once it gets the skin to pull up right here, this helps with relieving those pains. So I'm just going to do this area. And then they have the bigger ones, which those ones will get a bigger area. So now we got the second one. We're going to move on to the third one so that you can see how big this one is compared to the first one. And then when I grab the third one, you'll see the difference between the first, second, and then this third one right here. So they do come individually wrapped, which is a good thing, so you don't have to worry about them breaking or cracking. So now you can see the third one is a lot bigger than the first and the second one. So here is the bottom. There's the area to suck in the skin. So you can definitely see it does need a lot more area to cover. So this one here is a little bit big for my hand, so I can actually move it around, get the areas that are a lot bigger that has more skin to it. So this is more recommended for areas that are bigger in sizes, like your shoulder, your legs, maybe the upper arm. You can see the enter right here is a lot bigger, the ring, and then you've got the suction right here. So now we're going to move up to the number 4, so you can see the difference right here. All the way to the left is the 1, you got the 2, and then you have the 3. So now we're making our way to the last box, which is box number 4. This one here is the biggest one. So this is more suited for areas that are a lot bigger, maybe your calf, your shoulder blades, in the middle of your back, because this does cover a lot more of the area. The glass portion of this is way bigger, you can see. And I try to use it on my hand, but because there is not enough meat there, it would not stick to it. I tried right here. I actually had to move it up a little bit, so it's starting to get a little bit of it. So when it sucks up like this is actually normal, and it does leave a little bit of the reddiness, but that does go away over time. But it helps trigger those points that are in pain, so it helps relieve the pain. And you can see that it's sucking into my hand, even though I have a little bit of creases in there that takes out the air. But once it gets it right in there, these little things at the top, the little rubber things, will fill up, basically letting you know that it is completely full of the skin. So not only does it help with the back pain, it also helps to increase microcirculation. It makes skin tighter, plumper, and rosier, reduces puffiness, improves quality of your sleep, and reduces tension. It diminishes appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It lifts and refines facial contours, relaxes facial muscles, and it relieves tired eyes. So this here is offered in 6 different colors. You've got red, white, pinky, purple, like a teal color, and then you also have pink, and then you have this blue set right here. So if you've ever heard of cupping, massaging cupping, that's what these are. These are little cups. You get them in 4 different sizes. They offer in 6 different colors. This helps relieve fine line and wrinkles. It helps circulate your skin, and it removes the pain. So if you're looking for some nice cupping for your pain and relieve those fine lines, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.